Hi there, my name is Dave Kreinbrook, President and Founder of Professional Trading Strategies. What we're going to do is just briefly talk about some professional strategies that are used in the market and try to help out your trading in general, and hopefully that will be a boost to the profit side, not the loss. However, um, just by watching this short video, please don't make any decisions on your live capital. In the government disclaimer, you can understand that futures, if you've dealt with it before, commodities has large potential rewards, also has large potential risk. Be aware of those risks. Be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And we're not making any solicitation here to buy or sell futures options or anything. No representations being made that your account will achieve the profits somewhere or those discussed on the website. The past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future performance. So therefore, that being said, let's talk about what's on the chart here. I'm going to show you a chart of a 1-minute crude oil and a trading strategy that is a help to oftentimes many people that are struggling with profitability. What I have here is I have a separate indicator that doesn't come with a normal NinjaTrader package, and what we're trading off here is a platform from NinjaTrader. By the way, this is all I do is trade crude oil. This is my favorite market due to the personality retracements it makes, the size of pushes it makes. All that matters. So people that say that that doesn't matter in any market, you should be able to trade this type of candlestick pattern or that type of pattern. You know, patterns do hold true in different markets, and they're similar patterns, but they work out different. And that does have a lot to do with the personality of that market and how large a moves that market tends to make. So that being said, simplicity in trading seems to be the most helpful thing to trading. But if someone would just take a simple strategy as to allow a trend bar to break above a consolidation region, like this region right in this area, you take a box or a rectangle and you encircle that area. And generally you want to look for an area like that after there's been a nice push up off of a consolidated bottom, like has occurred right here. We had a bottoming formation occur right here. We had a first leg occur that had come up from the bottom right here. And that first leg, then we assume that there will be a second leg in this. And when that second leg develops, then we look for another formation that occurs, like this formation right here, this consolidation. And so then there's another leg. So this two-leg principle is helpful, and most of the time they're very close in size. The angle of this move is different, of course, but the principle is the same. So when the trend bar breaks above this market right here, we begin looking. A trend bar is a solid bar that doesn't have much wick on it, and there's very little wick on the top here. You notice it pushes against my Keltner channel. This is my Keltner channel here, and as it pushes on that, there's a follow-up trend bar with it, and then we're going to zoom into the market. These little diamonds I have above the price bars are helpful. What they are telling me is that I have a narrow range and inside bar. A narrow range and inside bar is valuable. However, it can only usually be valuable for a short period of time and following a trend bar that is through a area of break of swing, break of consolidation, breakout. Okay, and so we tend to find a bar right here that is a narrow range, more than the last so many bars, whatever we program it for. And in this case, it's the last 4 bars. And then we had 2 in a row here. We had 2 inside bars. Generally, that continues to follow with the trend when you have a trend bar prior to it and after a consolidation break like this. Then we try to surround that bar. It would have been this bar initially, or this bar, because then it would not have gotten filled here. You would have had a buy stop order above this bar, and the buy stop order then would rest above this bar because another one happened afterwards, and then it would have been filled on this very next bar right here at 110.32, and you would have had available to you 13 ticks of profit. And people think it takes a lot of profit to be a professional trader in the amount of ticks that you would make, but 13 ticks is $130. If somebody only took 10 ticks out of that, which is $100, on a frequent basis, and let's say we had 10 contracts at $100, that's $1,000 in a very short period of time. That's nothing to sneeze at. And you can keep your risk very small with these inside bars. We can place our stop loss right below them, and it would have been larger on this first one had it gotten filled, but it could be very small on the second bar, following with the trend. And that's a very short, simple technique that take $100 out of the market. Anytime you could trade for a $100 bill for a 131, let's say that was like a $50 risk for a $100 bill, you got a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. That's a great trade there. So hopefully that made some sense to you. You can always rewind the video and look at it. And if you need to know any more about the technique, I give free webinars. Hopefully you can attend one of those webinars, and if it makes sense to you and it's something that you like to do, I go into depth and tell you several different techniques that seem to be helpful in my professional trading, using professional-led movements in the market, where they don't give you a chance, oftentimes much of a chance for breathing. They oftentimes reverse very quickly, and how to stay out of those danger zones and try to take the profits out of the market that are available, be happy with them, and close your platform down when you've reached your goal. Don't keep trading until you've lost all that money. Focus and mental awareness is very important in this. So we teach all that stuff. If you want to, visit the website. It'd be great. We're going to place the website up here, professionaltradingstrategies.com. And have a great day.